Grammar Solutions. Fix the top 10 frustrations. Tired of the same pesky grammar issues tripping you up? This practical course tackles the top 10 grammar points that frustrate English learners. We'll arm you with solutions to boost skills. Learn how to fix common errors with articles, prepositions, verb tenses, agreement, modals, conditionals, and more. We'll zero in on key trouble spots and provides clear explanations with engaging examples. Stop feeling frustrated and start mastering grammar with simple techniques to fix the top 10 difficulties. The course provides a direct path to accuracy in writing and speaking English confidently.